Hey you guys, so we're back again, and we're gonna attempt the waterfall braid on her hair. So,
even though it's curly and crazy.
Okay, we're gonna zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, just a little.
Okay, so first you just take your section of hair, and I'm just taking like a, probably about 1 inch, and then of course this is a braid, so you're just going to split it into 3, just like that. So you have 3 sections, and first you're going to take a little bit more hair from this side, like a little French braid, and you're going to braid it in. And then you're going to drop this piece and grab another piece, and you're going to braid it in, and you're going to add hair to this back piece and braid it in, and then you're going to drop this piece that you're about to braid, take a new piece of her hair, and then braid it in. And can you guys see it? Okay, then you're going to grab a new piece for this back strand of hair, braid it in, and then you're going to drop this piece again and grab a new piece from her hair and braid it in. Then French braid again, and you guys get the point.
So while you're waiting, Kylan's gonna sing us a song.
Crazy girl, don't you know that I love you? I wouldn't dream of going nowhere. Silly woman, come here, let me hold you. I told you lately, I love you like crazy girl, don't you know that I love you? I think we don't have a bobby. So basically when you're done, turn your head, you have like this like waterfall effect. Lift it up. And so you can see the pieces coming down. So if you zoom out, so yeah, that's what it looks like. So bye. What?
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. What is that noise?